Feeding Zachary sweet potatoes. Yay! What do you think of that? Big smile. Is that good?
Better?
The other one's better. What do you say, bud? Another bite? What are you doing? Good, thank you. Yeah, Zachy! Yay, Zachary!
You're doing a good job.
He is. He's doing a very good job.
You're doing a good job.
Oh, Missy Miss wants to eat. Ah! What do you think? It's pretty good, eh? It's sweet and orange. You like sweet orange things, I guess. Not really, usually. Your grandpa Copans hates sweet potatoes. Hates them.
Nana loves them.
Nana loves them? Mm-hmm. Nana loves them and Grandma loves them. Grandma. Especially when Daddy makes them with sage butter, which will be a later treat for you. Yeah, not yet. These are just plain. No sage butter. Oops, that was your nose. Oh no. More? No? You can move your hand, buddy. A little more? It's a big bite. Let's try and get you a little smaller one. Two more bites? One more bite? Oh, that's the stuff on your face. Good cleaning up. Good self-cleaning, yes. Ready? Ah, big mouth. I think he likes it, love.
Good work.
I think he might actually like the zucchini better.
Which is weird.
Totally weird, because this is like sweet and that's not, but whatever, Trev. Well,
whatever he wants to eat, man.
It's true, he keeps opening his mouth. It's actually good. I know potatoes don't need a ton of extra stuff on them. Yes, you're right, Zach. You'd probably like them better with marshmallows.
Ew.
Yeah, I'm with your mom on this. We like our sweet potatoes a little savory.
Salt, pepper, a little butter.
Delish.
Delish.
Sour cream, bacon, also good.
Also good.
You gotta move your hands out of your mouth if you want more. Can I get that little bit off your nose? Oh, I just made it worse. There we go. Ah. Well, you gotta move your hand if you want more. I think, are you done? Looks like there's a little bit more coming out than going in. It tastes like it's full of iron? Because you need iron these days. Okay, you want to set up a little more? There we go. Ah, here we go. Ah. Ah. Let's see if we can get this to go. There we go. Ah. Gotta move your hand. Ah. You're doing great. You're almost done with the bowl here. I know, it's totally fun. It's sweet potatoes. Ah. Ah. Shoom. Here goes the jet coming in for a landing into the hangar. Actually, technically the jet has to land and then taxi into the hangar. Taxi, taxi, taxi into the hangar. Ah. 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 Maybe it's a train. Maybe you're more like a high-speed rail kind of guy.
You could land on an aircraft carrier.
Yeah, but aircraft carriers don't gape open. Here comes the high-speed rail. Zoom, zoom. Thanks, Obama stimulus plan. We're going through the tunnel. Ah, hoom. That's right, buddy. High-speed rail. High-speed rail is the answer. Woo-hoo. Woo, woo, woo. High-speed rail. Yay! Oh, don't. Blocked. Oh no! There's something down on the tracks. I can't get through the tunnel. The high-speed rail.
Try hockey.
Hockey? That'll infuriate Grandma.
Try hockey.
Here comes Bobby Orr. He's gonna shoot at the goal. He shoots. He scores! Goal, Bobby Orr! Sorry, I probably should do a Leafs. I don't know any of the Leafs anymore. They've all been traded.
Seriously. We could just sit in Crosby. He's great and Canadian.
Sid the Kid skates down. Takes a shot at the net. Oh, blocked by the goalie. Oh no! Here, play your hand. Ready? Here's the shot. He scores! Okay, I think I got maybe two, but certainly one, maybe two bites left here. Ready? Steven Gostkowski kicks it up right through the uprights. Patriots win! Yay! Last bite. Tom Brady drops back to pass. He's got Randy Moss going long. Here's the bomb. Oh! Touchdown, Patriots! Yay! That's it. You want some water? Wash that down. No? Maybe? Good work, Z. Good job, bud.